Good afternoon, everybody. Please, you can switch on your camera. The mic can be muted, but the camera should be on. Yes, please do that. Good afternoon, Ashish. I can see Ashish. Yes, great. Sapna and Vishal.
Hi.
Yes, please. The video should be on, should be visible. Another couple of minutes, we'll be starting our International Yoga Day session. Hope most of you are doing yoga practice in your life. Do you practice yoga? Can you raise your hand? How many of you practice yoga? I can see some hands going up. It's wonderful. So we are ready to start. First of all, the heartiest wishes on this day of International Yoga Day that you have a healthy, happy, harmonious life. And yoga is one thing which gives you all three: the health, the perfect health at the physical level, at the mental, emotional, psychic, spiritual level. At the same time, it gives you happiness, it gives you harmony in your life. So yoga should not be only for 30 minutes on yoga day. It should be almost every day in your life, whether it's the morning that before you start for the office or in the evening. Keep the spine upright and bring the arms here in the front. Bring the arms here in the front. Yes. And as you inhale and stretch the finger and stretch them wide apart, your fingers. And when you exhale, thumb inside and make the fist tight and feel the tightness all over the arm. Inhaling slower, opening the arms as you inhale, the fingers wide stretched. Exhale, make the fist. Inhaling slower and deeper. Now from here, turn the palm up. Inhale here, exhale, make the fist. Inhale deep, exhale deep. Inhale, open the arms. Exhale, bend it. Now, open the arms to the sides, elbows to the side, chest is open. You see the space. If you have a space around, you can open the arms like this. Inhale and exhale, bend it. Inhale slowly, opening the arms to the side. And if you are grabbing the air from the space, exhale, bend it. Do not make the video. Inhale, exhale. Now from here, we'll go up. Inhale, take the arms up. Exhale, bend it to the shoulder. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Breathe in slow. Breathe out slow. Join the elbows in the front. Inhale, take the elbows up. Take the elbows now to the sides. Exhale down. And join it in the front. Inhale, upper half of the circle. Exhale down. So inhale, upper half. Exhale, the lower half. With this, this is, I believe, Pulkit. Pulkit, please correct yourself. Inhale, upper half. Exhale, the lower half. So this is a wonderful session. I'm so happy to see your attention, that you were attentive, you followed the practice, and you enjoyed the practice. And with this, once again, my prayers for your health, happiness, and harmony in your life, and have a great success in your career as well. Anybody has any question, I give you 1 minute. If you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll drop the call and the session is over. Must be hungry for the lunch time for you. Good. No question. No question. Hope you enjoyed the practice. ठीक लगा, अच्छा लगा, कुछ बोलिए. It's very good. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Hari Om Tat Sat.